everybody, my name is Twimmy. Today I will retell the story Rainforest Rescue. This story is about Ben and Rosie. Grandpa and his van is fantastic and his robot named Clank. Rosie's friend is Alice. Grandpa is hungry. He wants to eat his favorite fruit, but they have apples and bananas only. Rosie and Alice are in the kitchen. Grandpa walks to the kitchen and says he's going to go to find his favorite fruit. Clank starts the van and drives. The van stops in a new place. It's hot there. The children look at the tree and glance. Rosie doesn't know where they are. Ben says they are in the rainforest. Grandpa points up the tree. He sees some durians in this tree. Ben and Clank climb up the tree and get some. Alice and Rosie hear a noise. What's that? There's a cage next to the tree. There's a baby orangutan in the cage. Grandpa opens the cage. Soon the baby orangutan is in Alice's arms. Two men walk off the tree. They are angry. They want the baby orangutan. And they run at Grandpa and the girls. Then a big durian falls from the tree and it hits the ground close to two men. Then lots of durian falls from the tree and they hit the ground. And they make the two men scared. The tall man shouts, "Run!" In the tree, Ben has a durian in his hand, and he asks Clank to stop it. A big orangutan appears. She's angry. She wants her baby. Rosie is scared. She doesn't know how to do. Alice knows. She puts the baby orangutan on the ground. And the mother takes her baby. They are happy now. Grandpa opens the durian. Rosie puts her hand on her nose. She can't smell the durian. Grandpa says he loves durian, but they smell very bad. Mom, do you love eating durian?
Yes, I love eating durian.
I love eating durian too. How about you? Yes, right? Okay. Goodbye. See you later.